guys, how are you? I am fine. I think you all are doing well. So welcome back to my channel, and this is Kanika, and I am back with my learning videos. And welcome back to my French learning channel, which is called Learning French with Kanika. Okay, so today we will learn the basic verb in French and in English also, which is called être verb. Okay, so être verb means to be verb. Am is are. Okay, so in French, what we call this is être verb. Être verb, that means to be verb. So today we will learn and I will teach you that how to pronounce that être verb and how to conjugate that verb and how to apply that verb in French sentence. It's absolutely similar with the English, but I will teach you how to conjugate that verb according to the first person and second person, singular and plural. Okay, so now I will show you that how to conjugate that verb. So être verb, the conjugation is je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay? Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. That means je suis means I am. That means first person singular. Tu es, that means you are. Second person singular. Il est, that means he is or it is. Third person singular. Elle est, that means she is or it is. Third person singular. Nous sommes means we are. First person plural. Vous êtes means you are, second person plural. So second person singular is tu es and the second person plural is vous êtes. Ils sont, that means they are or these are, that means third person plural, and elles sont, that means they are or these are, that is also third person plural. So je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So that is how we actually pronounce the être verb and how we conjugate that être verb. Okay. So now I think it's clear. So now we will I will just show you some example that how we use that verb in French sentence. It's absolutely same as I told you in English. Suppose an example I'm giving you that je des une étudiante. Je suis une étudiante. I am a student. Je suis une étudiante. Number 2. Vous êtes le professeur. Vous êtes le professeur. You are the professor. Number 3. Elles sont les élèves. Elles sont les élèves. They are the student. They are the student. Number 4. Nous sommes un and. Nous sommes an and. We are in India. We are in India. So that's how we actually use the être verb, and that is a most basic verb in French, and that is called être verb, and its meaning am is are, like to be verb. So I think you just you all have understood that how we pronounce the être verb and how we conjugate that être verb, okay, and how we will use that verb in French to build a sentence. Okay, So that's all for today. So we have just learned the être verb, okay? And I will come up with the other learning videos. And thank you so much for watching these videos. And if you think that it helps you, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because to stay tuned, so that you will get to learn more videos, and I will come up with a lot of learning videos in future. So subscribe my channel, and thank you so much. And till then, just tata and bye bye.